In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add link in Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just swipe to the right to activate Instagram camera. Then you can take a picture or you can upload some from your camera roll. Just select a picture and then you will be able to change that picture. You can resize it just like that. And now in order to add a link to that picture, all you have to do is just tap right here at that stickers icon, and then we need just to search for a link sticker. I can see it here, but if you can't find link sticker, you can use search. Just search for link here, then choose link sticker, and then just paste your URL here in that way, and then hit add done. After that, it will place that link sticker over your story. You will be able to resize it, to rotate it, and to move it around. You can place it wherever you want, and once you're done with that, you can continue editing your story. And then when you share your story with your followers, anyone will be able to tap at that sticker to open up your URL. That's how you can easily add link in your Instagram story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.